Out of the mist they come alive, not from the lab but from my oven. Behold, the army of biscuit monsters. Biscuit monsters. Biscuit monsters.
Welcome to Biscuit Week, and yes, I made Frankenstein's monster out of shortbread. These guys look like they partied too hard last night. So I thought, why not go full Halloween? Tired eyes, bad hair day, a purple frame of doom, everything you need in a monster biscuit. First, the flour, pure white, the blank canvas for my monster, but not plain, oh no. Through the sieve I ran down my secret spice mix, cardamom and other flavors from far off lands, to give my creature a soul. Now the butter, precise weight, sliced into cubes like little frozen hearts. I scatter them in and begin the ritual. Not too much, not too fast, just enough to coat every grain of flour. The mixture stays sandy, crumbly, the perfect ground for dark experiments to come. And now the great division. I take my lifeless mass of dough and split it apart, not with guesswork, oh no, with precision. 45% for the face, 20% for the hair, 8% for the eyes. It looks ridiculous, yes, but this is science. Without exact proportions, my creature would be, well, a blob. A blob do not strike fear. Blobs just look sad on a baking tray. And now, the coloring of life. Each yolk split into fractions, measured with the accuracy of a laser. 2 grams here, 4 grams there. Only a high precision scale can achieve such madness. Green for the face, black for the hair, red for those terrible eyes. Each portion exact, no more, no less. Too much yolk, disaster. Too little, catastrophe. This is not baking anymore, this is surgery. And now the assembly begins. Piece by piece, I join the frozen organs of dough. The face, the eyes, the bolts. But the parts are delicate. They must be frozen between surgeries, or they melt away in my hands. Slowly, carefully, I build my monster. And after all this precision, this effort, this genius, what do I have? A long black cube. Truly horrifying and completely unrecognizable. But trust me, the monster is in there waiting. The moment of truth. The black cube is sliced, and from within, the face emerges. A green monster, bloodshot eyes, a frown baked into eternity. Every slice, another soul. Into the oven they go, 12 minutes at 170. And here they are, my army of biscuit Frankensteins. Each one grumpy, each one different, each one deliciously unimpressed with me. Want to try it yourself? The full recipe, every gram, every absurd calculation is waiting for you in the show notes below.
Dare you bake your own monster?